everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ami's Kitchen. So today we're gonna be preparing our delicious Nkwobi. Yes. So before we get started, please, if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Yes, I said it, do so. Please subscribe. So before we get started, comment on the comment section the next food you would like me to prepare. Yes, so that I will do that for you. So these are the ingredients we'll be going for. Trust me, this Nkwobi is the simplest, like when I mean simplest meal to prepare. Very easy to prepare. So the things we are going to be using are, first, our Ugba, that is Oyubin. Then our cow skin, that is Omo. You can use cow tail, you can use cow leg, which other part of the cow that you like. So we're going to be using our chopped onions, our pepper already blended, salt, then our seasoning cubes, some of the crayfish, red oil, and of course our local potash, that is Ugba. So let's get started. First, we're going to be introducing our oil into our pot. Remember, like I said in my last video, that the quantity of oil you'll be adding will be determined whether by the meat or by the Ugba that you are preparing. So add our when we add, we stir. Keep stirring till it turns yellow. Yeah, when you're stirring, you have to be very careful. So avoid it splashing on your body. Yes, so the next thing we'll be introducing will be our crayfish. Introducing some of our blended crayfish. We'll be adding some of the blended pepper, fresh pepper. Depending, if you don't like pepper, don't put too much pepper in your own. So we'll be adding our salt, going with our seasoning cubes, then we stir gently. Gently. So next we'll be introducing our cow skin, that's Omo. We stir gently. Next we'll be adding our chopped onions, after that we'll be introducing our Ugba, more. Like I said, this meal is very easy, very simple to prepare. It doesn't take time. And when you are cooking either your cow tail, cow leg, or cow skin, you have to season it a bit with salt and then seasoning cubes. You can add pepper if you like pepper, but if you don't like, you can just leave the pepper. Just season it without pepper. So we're almost done with our Nkwobi. Like I said, very easy. So we're going to be dishing out our Nkwobi right now. Yeah. Our Nkwobi is ready. Ready. So we're going to be spicing it up a bit. I added some of the tazi leaf, then some of the onions. If you want to heat it up a bit, you want to consume it hot, you can heat it up a bit on the fire. Yeah, our Nkwobi is set and ready. So you know the next thing we have to do, we're gonna test. Yes. Very delicious. Very delicious. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you. See you in my next video, and please drop the food you would like me to prepare on the comment section. Yes, bye.